Guys, welcome to our channel Fabulous Food. Today I'll be cooking squash curry. Squash with lamb. This is from our garden. We just picked it and we just cut it up, and then I'll do some curry squash with lamb. My husband wants shrimp, but I said lamb is good with it too. So we'll be cooking this with some lamb. For the curry, I add 1 teaspoon of masala, 1 teaspoon of jeera, not too much masala, 1 teaspoon curry powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon sazon, that's the sazon here, 1 chicken cube, that's the one I'm using. That's a cube. 1 teaspoon of dry thyme from Guyana. Little bit of water. Mix everything up. Looking nice. Nice color. 2 teaspoons of garlic. 1 teaspoon of ginger, 2 teaspoons of green seasoning. Mix everything up. All set for the curry now. Here I'm seasoning the lamb with thick mix. It has onion, garlic, and pepper. This is really nice seasoning. Adding 1 teaspoon. Half a teaspoon of black pepper. Just mix. Mix so nice. So now I'll dry down the rank water in the pressure pot. Add in the meat. Color look amazing. So I'll cover the lids and let the water dry down, and then it will be boiled a little. Then I'll add it to the squash. Looking good. Picking some green onion. Looks so nice. Look at that. I picked the whole root. I pulled the whole root out. Looks so nice. And I'll get some cilantro. Pick some more cilantro here. Basil. All these for the squash from the garden. Date on the white eggplant. Looking nice. I love this white eggplant. So nice. More in here. And we have pumpkin on the tree. Up here, pumpkin. Oh my, look at this giant cucumber. I'll be adding green onions, cilantro, parsley, and basil. All cut up here. And there's the squash, looking nice, already washed, waiting to go in the pot. Masala here. Cutting up the parsley and basil here. This is Guyanese way. Mix it to the masala mix. And some green onion. Lamb is done. Looking nice. Look at the lamb. Looks so nice. I just pressure it with the water down, and that's it. I added no water, just drying down the water in the pressure pot. Looks really good. Using the same pot, I'm adding the oil. This will taste better with a pot like this, with the meat. Adding 1 teaspoon of mustard seed, 1 teaspoon of cumin, green onion, and onion. Adding the masala. Not too much masala because I'll be adding some tomato paste. Adding the lamb. Adding the squash. Add 1 more teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar. Mix everything up. Sorry guys, I'm holding the camera. Can't get it turned up properly. Adding 2 teaspoons of tomato paste. This is the one I use. This is the best tomato paste. It tastes so good. Mix everything again. Lots of seasoning in here. This will taste so good. Squash from the garden. Big up to my husband for his squash. Big up, Surin. Thanks for the squash. I know how much you like squash. So when you come home, you will have squash, curry, and roti. So I'll cover this now and let it pressure for like 15 minutes. Looking nice. Going to cook some roti. I already need it. Look at it. They're all swollen, puffed up so much. 5 sada roti. Looking so good. Squash is done. Look how nice color. Color is so beautiful. Add in some more green onion. 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix everything up. Looking so good. Color is so nice. Look at that color, so nice. Anyways guys, the squash curry is done. Looking so good. The color is so nice. I cooked it with lamb and add some tomato paste, and it has a nice color. Hope you like how it turned out. Make sure you share with your friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye.